If you have some very foggy headlights, more like this right here, we can make it look like this side right here. And it's with this really cool product here. It's a headlight restoration kit. So let me show you what comes in the box and exactly how it works. All right, so here's step one. It comes with multiple packs of these. This is Oxidation Remover. Show you how to wipe those on. Part two is you do a light sanding. Comes with this little handle here. You have some different pads. These easily just go right on like that. You can remove it. You see it has a 2000 and a 3000 grit. Really nice and easy to show you how to do that. And here is your step three. It is the ceramic clear coating that we're going to put back on. Here you can see what my headlights look like before I use this restoration kit. For step one, you take this wipe that it included in the kit and you begin to clean off and get all that grime off of the headlight. Now we're going to start with the 2000 grit. Move on to the 3000. And don't worry, at this point, the headlight will look a bit foggy from the sanding. And step three. You can easily see the difference. There's the side that we did. You can see over there the side that has not been done.